Marliah Putri siapa? Iya, sok.
For participants who have joined, we begin to wait because our webinar will start at 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Coba keluar dulu, nanti aku update lagi. Ya. Kenapa? Nirmalasari Anggun. Kenapa? Tapi bisa masuk.
Tapi tetap latar belakang.
Menit.
To the participant, please wait a moment. Thanks.
Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Hi, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anggu Wirahna Nirmala Sadikidarat. I am from SMKN London, and I am from Automation and Office Maintenance Department. I am a host today for this webinar. I would like to introduce our moderator and presenter in this webinar. The moderator is Kalma Shifa Abdul Fauzi, she from SMKN London. The presenter is Alifani Laila Nurmedia, she from SMKN London. The webinar is entitled Why is Bullying Your Happiness? Next, I would like to read out the rules that the participants must follow. That is, 1. Please use the full name and institution. 2. If you are late entering, it is prohibited to check the sound. Just listen first. The mic is used so as not to import the call to the program and the recording. 3. Turn off the mic and the time exposed to the material. 4. Written questions are doable via chat and question and answer section. The moderator will read out by one in seconds and answer the allowed to ask. 5. To check sound only allowed if the event has not started. This webinar will be recorded and the recording this webinar will be uploaded soon at our YouTube channel. So, let's say Basmalah together to start our webinar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The moderator, time is yours.
Atanggun gak usah pakai headset coba. Enggak masuk. Enggak masuk. Apakah suara host terdengar gitu? Kalau di sini paling kamu nggak bisa pakai background. Nggak apa-apa.
Ini dimulai aja, nunggu siapa lagi? Halo?
Maaf Bapak, suara host apa terdengar?
Terdengar? Enggak. Siapa hostnya?
Anggun.
Anggun? Enggak ada. Kesini enggak kedengaran. Coba Anggunnya mana?
Ya, sebentar Bapak diperbaiki dulu.
Yang ini harus dikeluarin nggak? Dimohon menunggu sebentar pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. Dimohon menunggu sebentar pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. Karena ada kesalahan teknis.
Kepada para partisipan dimohon untuk menunggu sebentar karena ada kesalahan teknis. Terima kasih.
Kedenger? Ngelag ya? Coba ngomong. Nggak masuk. Itu harus dikeluarin nggak?
Tes. 1, 2, 3 tes.
Nggak masuk.
Coba di situ aja nggak apa-apa tapi gimana?
Nggak apa-apa. Asal tahu kalau kamu host gitu orang-orangnya.
Coba satu deh. Di sini tapi kalau aku nggak pakai itu.
Lupa.
Atau udah itu kompakin semuanya. Tes.
Tapi nggak apa-apa nggak pakai background.
Ada sekarang? Hilang lagi suaranya.
Tes.
Oh ya ada. Sip.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Hi, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anggun Nurrahmah Nirmala Sari Firdaus. I am from SMKN 1 Garut, and I am from Automatization and Office Governance Department. I am a host today for this webinar. I would like to introduce our moderator and presenter in this webinar. The moderator is Kayla Shifaatul Kolbi. She is from SMKN 1 Garut. The presenter is Alifani Naila Nurmezia. She from SMKN 1 Garut. The webinar is entitled Why is Bullying Still Happening? Next, I would like to read out the rules that the participant must obey. That is 1. Please use the name full and institution. 2. If you are late entering, it is prohibited to check the sound. Just listen first. The mic is mute so as not to interfere with the course of the program, the recording. 3. Turn off the mic at the time to expose to the material. 4. Written questions are delivered via chat and the question and answer session. The moderator will be read out one by one in sequence, and the asker can be allowed to ask. 5. To check sound, only allowed if the event has not started. This webinar will be recorded, and the recording of this webinar will be uploaded soon on our YouTube channel. So, let's say Basmalah together to start our webinar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Your moderator, time is yours.
I'd like to say many thanks to the host. I read the CV or curriculum vitae of presenter today. Here is her identity. Her name is Alifani Naila Nurmezia. Her was born in Cimahi on March 22, 2005. She comes from SMKN 1 Garut, Computer and Network Engineering Department. This webinar will be divided into two sessions. The first session is explanation and the second session is Q&A. Without further ado, let's become our presenter. To Alifani Naila Nurmezia, place and time is yours.
Okay. Thank you very much, moderator. Now, I will explain about why is bullying still happening. Have you been a victim of bullying? Or maybe you have been a bully? Our agenda for today is definition of bullying, things that cause someone to bully, what will happen to the health of victims of bullying, what must we do so as not to continue being bullied, how to stop bullying, if that person continues to bully, what will the future be like? Next. Oh, yeah. Okay. Definition of bullying. Bullying is an event where a person gets bullied. Violence is ostracized and etc. from other people for a reason. According to laws, bullying is an act or deliberate aggressive behavior, which is carried out by a group of people or someone repeatedly and from time to time against a victim who cannot define himself easily, or as an abuse of power or strength systematic. So, bullying is a situation where a person cannot define himself from violence or other things that the bully does to him. Next. Then, what causes someone to bully? 1. Lack of attention from parents. Usually, due to the lack of attention from parents. Second, There is a sense of wanting to gain power. Now, usually, a bully wants to have power, and so that people are afraid of him because he is the one who is considered to be in power. And factor of puberty. The puberty factors is also one of the reason of bullying. Occurs because at puberty our feelings are not unstable. There are types of kids who like to fight. There are of kids who like to fight. Usually, this type of child who likes to fight will bully people who are weaker than him. Fame factor. People who are popular will usually bully someone they don't like. And that person will feel normal because he is popular. So this person thinks that maybe a lot of people will be like him more than the person he bullies. Victim of violence. People who have been victims of violence are usually some who want to to repay to repeat what that person has done to him. So he will do the same to other people to fend it. Next. What will happen to the health of the victim bullies? Victim of bullying will usually experience psychology having disorders that will lead to depression, avoiding associations, decreased interest in attending school activities. There are those who want to end their life. Next. What must we do so as not to continue being bullied? Show that you have good achievements. Because if you have good achievement, people will not think of you as lower or weak. Be friends with people who always support and trust you. Because if you have a good friends and can be trusted, it will be very helpful to restore your enthusiasm. Build build self-confidence. Because self-confidence is very important to escape from bullying incidents. Don't fight against bullies, but if this bully has pliant hands, for example, such as physical violence, or is out of bounds, you have to fight it and fight it in the right way. You have to brave and don't show expression or attitude if you're afraid, sad, or angry. Because if you show an expression like that, the bully will be happy because it has been annoyed by him. So, as much as possible, don't do not show such an expression. Make the bully to motivate you so that you can be more successful than the bullies later. Next. How to stop bully. Ignore what bully talk or do to you. Show an attitude that you are not affected or afraid of his bullying. Talk to the bully. Ask a friend or adult to help. Make a good friends. Next. If that person continues to bully, what will happen to the future be like? Can adjust to the people around him because he used to being alone, so he doesn't know how to interact with other people. Poor health conditions because usually they have a lot of talks, so they can often get sick. It's hard to get a job or keep a job. It's hard to focus on one thing, usually because they think a lot of things. Difficult to interact with other people and prefer to be alone. Next. That's all from me. And the conclusion is if you have experienced if you have experienced bullying, don't be afraid to try to make it a material for self-reflection and make it make it a motivation that you have to be stronger and be more enthusiastic about learning in order to be successful so people won't think are where uh, so people won't think you are weak or so on. I return it to the moderator.
Wow, thank you to the presenter for the extraordinary explanation. Now we are going to session. Is there any question? You can write your question in a chat box. Any question from Mr. Arif Rahman? How can we help our bullying victim friend? Question. All right, to the presenter is allowed to answer question.
Did you get it? My question?
Yes.
I mean, if
Sec-
if we have a friend and she or he was a victim of bullying, how can we help them? Thank you.
okay, I will answer it. We can help him with spirits and help him out of his problem. Like say uh, say words of motivation. So um,
Okay, I get it. I get it.
yeah, so they won't be down like that.
Okay, okay, good answer. Thank you.
Kay, ngomong kay.
permission to give additional, maybe we can help by encouraging him or her or become a friend to talk to. And next, any question?
Skip.
All right, thank you for your question. I hope your query will be answered. Next, I asked the participant to turn on the camera for the documentation session. Thanks.
Okay. Turn on camera. Turn on your camera. We will screenshot it.
Tuh, banyak yang masuk tuh. Anak-anak kelas 3. Tadi Bapak minta. Oh, udah keluar lagi. Suaranya kemana nggak? Hilang lagi?
Enggak. Okay.
Iya Pak, hadir Pak.
Nah, Genta. Mau nanya Genta.
Harus nonton nambah join, aduh.
Ini udah mau selesai, nanti jam berikutnya jam berapa? Ada jam 10 ya?
Iya, Pak.
Jam 10 nanti ada lagi. Kita undang aja anak-anak kelas 12 biar rame. Oke?
Oke, one.
Ini udah belum fotonya?
Repeat, I ask the participant to turn on the camera for the documentation session.
Oke, thank you.
Langsung we. 1, 2, 3.
On the count of 3, we look at the camera lens. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thanks. Well, next to the instructor, is there any input for today's first webinar session?
Ngobrolnya bahasa Indonesia aja lah, ya. Strukturnya yang bahasa Inggris nggak datang nggak apa-apa. Ini kan udah selesai ya webinarnya ya tadi. Ini yang kemarin terjadi kejadian lagi sekarang hari ini ya, masalah teknis gitu. Tapi nggak apa-apa karena apa ya, kalau Bapak pahami sih, karena perangkatnya kan itu di lab ya, bukan punya kita gitu. Jadi mungkin tidak tahu karakter perangkat yang dipakai itu kan, komputernya kan bukan punya milik pribadi kan, punya sekolah. Jadi tidak tahu settingnya gimana, apanya gimana gitu ya, dari komputernya itu bisa aja. Cuman itu kenapa bisa terjadi nggak ada suaranya tadi?
Ya Pak, sebelumnya tadi udah fix, semuanya udah lancar, tapi tiba-tiba tidak bisa memakai backgroundnya. Jadi saya ke komputer lain, semoga bisa memakai latar belakang. Ternyata setelah memakai latar belakang, suaranya tidak ada, tapi udah cari di dua komputer ternyata nggak ada suaranya, kembali lagi ke sini tetapi tidak menggunakan background karena tiba-tiba tidak bisa, Pak.
Oh,
Kalau
tidak.
tadi sudah bisa.
Oh,
Sebelum dimulai udah bisa memakai background
oh,
dan suaranya sudah keluar.
tapi pas mau mulai justru nggak ada suaranya kalau dipasang background
Iya, Pak.
gitu.
Backgroundnya tidak bisa dipasang ya.
Tapi yang Anggun aja ya, yang dua-dua Kaila sama Naila malah nggak masalah ya
Iya, Pak.
pakai background. Sayang ya, padahal background udah bagus gitu kalian bikin. Ini Bapak nih apa ya, apresiasi sih. Sepertinya yang Bapak oleh kelompok ini ya, yang Bapak instruksikan itu bisa diaplikasikan semua ya, termasuk untuk bikin headernya di presensi itu kalian bikin juga gitu ya. Padahal Bapak cuman kasih contoh sekali aja ya. Dulu ini contoh kalau misalkan mau bikin ini kalau background gini gitu kan. Dan itu match bagus itu ukurannya, karena kalau tidak pakai contoh orang tidak tahu dimensinya berapa, bisa jadi tulisannya kepotong atau enggak. Tapi kalau yang kalian bikin itu enggak bagus gitu ya, ukurannya dimensinya di yang dari contoh memang benar-benar digunakan, dipakai. Terus kalian juga pasti ya sudah melakukan juga research, mempelajari dari contoh-contoh yang ada, dan hasilnya great, great work, great job, well prepared, well done. Gitu ya. Dipersiapkan dengan baik ya, dan berhasil dilaksanakan juga dengan baik. Kelompok ini insya Allah akan kedepannya akan tambah lebih baik lagi, terutama karena memang apa yang diinstruksikan itu benar-benar serius gitu, memperhatikan apa yang diinstruksikan oleh instruktur, yang dicontohkan oleh teman-teman yang lain atau dari instruktur yang lain. Terima kasih, bagus sekali hari ini ya. Mudah-mudahan nanti kita tidak ada kendala teknis lagi untuk selanjutnya. Ya kalau bisa sih jangan pindah-pindah komputernya ya. Jadi ketahuan ini kalau ada kesulitan apa. Gitu ya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih,
Next,
Pak.
in conclusion, bullying is one of the disrespectful work together behaviors. Let's work together to eliminate bullying in the way our presenter mentioned earlier today. I would like to say many thanks to all participants who joined this webinar. I will conclude this webinar. Don't forget to fill the list attendance. The link will be sent in a chat box. For the host, time and place yours.
Yeah. Hi moderator, I'm here. I would like to say thanks to our presenter, moderator, and also all participants for joining this webinar. This is the end of our webinar. Let's say Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for joining us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Keluarin semua. Oh, semua.
Sudah. Itu ya, memang suka ada yang aneh ya komputer itu ya. Ini kalau cerita sama Bapak, halo, ini belum selesai kan? Belum ditutup?
Ini matiin jangan rekornya.
Belum.